Morning, y'all. Catfishing with Steve-O out here on the Tennessee River. It's Monday, July 12th, 7:45 in the morning. We are on a bend here in the river in front of a big bluff, and we got a creek right behind us. We're at a creek mouth. We are in 49.6 foot of water, 50 foot of water. Water temp 79.0. We got skipjack and chicken breast for bait. Let's catch some catfish. We've also got some night crawlers. I'm going to be tossing some of those out. See what we can conjure up. It's been windy all week. It's supposed to get windy again today. Right now it's not. We're going to start with a skipjack head. I'm going to put a different, I got my dragon weights on here. I'm going to put a different weight on it real quick. Skipjack head piece. Big old skipjack head too. Toss it back that way. Food City chicken. Chicken breast on this one. They're calling for rain today too. Hopefully we don't get rained out. It's been raining every day for the past week pretty much. Chicken breast. Skipjack body section. We're fishing. I caught quite a few fish dragging, well, a couple of fish dragging baits in a creek a few weeks ago. I was in my John boat. I got tons of bite, hooked a big one. It was kind of windy, so my boat was going everywhere, and it got my lines hooked up in my trolling motor. Got all tangled up in that, so I didn't have no tools on me. I had to go home and take off the prop, and I got tons of line out of that thing. A lot of it wasn't even my fishing line, just a bunch of random fishing line. But I caught a few doing that. That was fun. In 4 foot of water, just a little creek. I'll be doing that again soon. That was fun. Fort Loudon section of the Tennessee River. I also caught a bunch of fish around that bend a week ago. I caught almost a 40 pounder, 30 something pounds. Big old blue. I hope that wasn't thunder. That would suck. Looks like they're going to be doing construction here. Fantastic. I think we got something on a night crawler. Yep. We got a little something. A little bitty blue cat. A little bitty blue cat. Little bitty blue on a night crawler. Let's let him go. Go get bigger. Oh yeah! I just happened to look down and my line was way out there. I think we got something on our little rod. Yep. Fish on. They would be doing construction. We're gonna fish, we're gonna fish. Little blue. Another little blue cat. Man, that's gonna be annoying. What the heck are they doing? Little blue. Hopefully he don't fend me when I throw him back in. Gah! They're running a tree through a big machine. We may be moving somewhere else. I ain't gonna listen to that crap, and I know y'all don't want to either. Got a fish. We got a fish. I don't know if you can hear me over that tree destroyer. Oh yeah! I'm gonna move. It's too loud right here. There we go. Little blue cat. That was on chicken. Let's get out of here. Let's go, buddy. It's too loud. Have a good one. Skadoosh! Skadoosh! Let's get the heck out of here. Alrighty, we're in that spot I fished a couple of weeks ago and caught that big old blue. We got run out of our other spot. Really? They're doing construction over there too. Fantastic. We're fishing again. Round two. Round two, 37 foot of water. 79 degrees. Now 9:30. Hey, is that a fish? Is that a fish? Yes it is. Yes it is, y'all. Fish gone. Fish on, y'all. Big old bubbles. Oh yeah, pull it, pull it. Oh yeah, look at that. Flathead. Oh yeah. Decent one too, if I can get him. Oh. Stay on there, baby, stay on there. Stay on there, sugar. Yes, yes. All right. All right. Good little flathead. Good flathead. Awesome. Yes. Awesome. Looky there. Flathead. My favorite catfish. Heck yeah. Beautiful. I love the colors on these things. Look at that. Beautiful fish. Beautiful flathead. Love it. Let's let him go. Go tell your buddies we're up here giving away food. See you. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Awesome fish. Yes. Man, I love flatheads. That was on a skipjack body section. Oh, skipjack body chunk. Let's give him another one. He must have been down there just chewing on it. I thought it was a dink. Twarn't no dink. Let's give him another skipjack. Got one on the little rod. Dang wind. Little blue cat. Little bitty blue. Go get huge, buddy. Go get huge. Come back and see me in about 10 years. Alrighty, y'all. It's getting too windy and it's getting lunchtime. We're gonna pack it up and go home. We got a decent flathead and a few little blue cats. I appreciate y'all hanging out with me. Thank you very much. Like and subscribe if you haven't. I really appreciate it. Let's go home. Y'all have a good one.